Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find keywords in Warhammer Age of Sigmar 4.0. And to do this we'll need to take a look on the war scroll of any unit. Then on the bottom of each war scroll you can find the keywords. In this case the liberators have infantry and reinforcements. And what they do, sometimes you may encounter a rule that says anti-infantry, for example, anti-monster, and you can find those keywords right here, and you basically adjust them to the rules that are visible on your war scrolls as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.